Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Lots of cleaning inspiration for you today. It's bed change day, fridge freezer's getting deep cleaned, the dishwasher's getting deep cleaned, and lots of other cleaning too. Got a workout for you later, and also we're making vegan tacos for dinner. You can easily add chicken if you want to, so let's get on and get some cleaning done.
I always start my day by quickly straightening up the kitchen and the living room. For me, mess really does create stress. I need all the surface damage tidied away before I can plan, have a coffee and begin my day. I have a really busy day of cleaning planned, emptying the fridge out and cleaning that out, deep cleaning the dishwasher, cleaning all the windows, the mirrors and the glass doors downstairs. That's going to take some time. But when I finish the whole day's cleaning, I know I'm going to feel really good. I'm going to feel very happy everything's clean, and I'm going to feel seriously distressed. I really enjoy cleaning my bedroom. I really enjoy once it's clean and de-furred. Because the dogs sleep in there and the fur builds up so fast, I like to clean the room very often. My dog Boo Boo is my cleaning buddy. He keeps me entertained. I'm sure he believes he's my supervisor.
In the summer I do iron the sheets, but because I'm going to put a winter throw over the top, let's save time.
I always find a clean, fresh bedroom brightens my mood. What do you enjoy cleaning? What makes you happy once it's clean? Comment in the box below. What's your favourite clean to clean? Perhaps I'm just crazy, but having my home clean and tidy really distresses me and makes me smile. With daylight hours being so short in winter, it's critical I get this load in so I can get it out drying. I have been looking forward to emptying and deep cleaning this fridge all holiday season, and I was so happy when the day came to do it. There is something about having a very clean and very organised fridge that makes it easy to think. When your fridge is fully organised and you can see everything in it, you can plan your meals so much easier.
Not thinking twice, am I this down? Although I know you're all I want. How could I crave something so
Everything was removed from the fridge and every part was fully cleaned. It was highly satisfying.
But I don't care, you drive me mad. I'll ignore the truth and run to you. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything.
When I was emptying my fridge, I decided I had way too many root vegetables. So it only took 10 minutes. I chopped up all the oldest potatoes, parsnips, carrots and sweet potatoes. I roasted them in the oven for just over an hour, and it made the perfect afternoon snack, which my husband polished off in record time.
Need you close, can't help myself. Trying to stop the burn under your spell.
Lining your vegetable drawers with kitchen paper is a great way to keep your veg drawers clean. Changing the kitchen towel each week, rather than cleaning the whole drawer out, is a super time saver. What's in your fridge? My father-in-law gave me a big laugh this night when I showed him our freshly cleaned fridge. He said it looked like a vegetable allotment.
To explain how I feel, it's better to enjoy.
An hour later, and the veg is nearly done. 20 more minutes uncovered on 180, and our roast vegetables will be ready for snacking.
I've left the planet 'cause I seem high all the time. They think I'm in a film noir, but my impression is that I'm in heaven. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need
The view from our roof terrace is breathtaking. It's a nice reward mid-cleaning day.
your spell. Can't help myself.
It's not just me that enjoys the views. I always have company up here.
myself.
Time to deep clean the dishwasher. Another cleaning job I've been looking forward to all festive season. As I know once it's cleaned, all my dishes are going to come out so much cleaner. If you don't already have one of these brushes on a handle, go out and buy one. It's such a lifesaver. It gets everything so clean. I love it. The filter on the dishwasher is seriously gross, but a teaspoon and some kitchen roll get it cleaned in no time.
Did someone put something in my dream?
Do you enjoy cleaning? Does it give you a sense of satisfaction and achievement?
It feels so soothing.
When I finish cleaning, I always feel happy and de-stressed.
Can't help myself. You know you are, I need you close. Can't help myself. I need you. Try to me better under your spell. Can't help myself.
Finally, I added the dishwasher salt and set it off for a full cycle.
Yay! Now look at that. That couldn't be any cleaner. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now it's going to get my dishes nice and clean. Lovely.
We do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful.
Is it fly season with you? It is here in Cyprus right now. And all the windows and all the mirrors want cleaning at least once a week. Twice if I can.
Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you. Listen to a favorite song.
Have you decorated for spring yet? Or for Valentine's? Or do you still have your Christmas decorations up? To keep spirits bright in my home going into 2021, I left the Christmas decorations up late this year. And I'm very excited to get decorating for Valentine's. My husband seriously loved all the new Christmas decorations this year. In fact, he requested all the lights and the trees stay up for a little longer. So I'm super excited to surprise him with my Valentine's decor transformation very soon.
Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday.
Valentine's this year is super special for us. We began dating 15 years ago around Valentine's. So, we think it's time we're celebrating.
And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down.
What do you do for Valentine's? Do you decorate? Do you have any traditions in your home?
As long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Nearly done cleaning for the day. A little more leaf blowing outside on the patio. You know I love that device. It saves all the leaves and debris coming in with the pups throughout the day, keeping inside cleaner.
It's really good today's workout for your core, your abs, your arms, your back, and of course your booty.
Plank star jumps are great to work out your whole body and get you all warmed up. I do between 20 and 50. Keep your planks straight and strong and your tummy tight in. Fire hydrants. Great for building your booty. With a bent knee, lift your leg out to the side and up. I normally do 20 each side. Plank, hamstring curl. Keeping a strong plank, lift one foot off your mat and bend at the knee. Do this alternately each leg. Straight leg lifts. Lift your foot to the sky and return to the ground. Do this 20 times each leg. Repeat this routine 2 more times and great job!
It is taco night in my household tonight. We adore plant-based vegan tacos. Before we became plant-based, we'd never had tacos. Now they're a weekly staple. The most unhealthy thing about my recipe is the actual taco shells. Everything else is seriously nutritious and really, really good for you.
These are my ingredients for my healthy tacos. You could easily replace the dry soya with chicken mince, beef mince, pork mince, if you prefer.
Spin me around and around. Turn me up.
This recipe actually has enough for 4 servings of the cooked mince. We like to have it the next day as well.
Spin me again and again.
We find the taco so tasty. It only takes 10 minutes the next day to knock up a fresh tray of toppings, heat the new taco shells and the mince.
Hold me down.
These are the fresh ingredients we enjoy on our tacos. Change it for any fresh ingredients you enjoy.
I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming.
Now to prepare the ingredients for cooking.
Tell me I'm the only one. I've been lost and found. We know. I've been
I like to break the cauliflower into very small pieces.
I've been hiding out.
I use dry soya quite a bit. It's easy to keep in your cupboard. You just need to soak it for a few minutes before you use it and make sure you squeeze the water out before cooking.
Turn me upside down.
Cook your onion and cauliflower until the onion becomes almost translucent.
Spin me again and again. Till I'm upside down. Calling again and again.
Add your drained soya mince and your taco seasoning. Then your chopped tomatoes, your tomato puree and your tomato sauce.
Tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been in the cold.
Cook your mince mixture on medium-high for around 5 minutes until most of the water's out and it's dry enough.
Been lying about everything but now.
Heat your taco shells.
Oh, spin me around
Time to enjoy seriously tasty tacos.
down.
Thank you for watching. I hope I motivated you to cook, clean or work out today. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next videos. My next 2 videos out are decorating for Valentine's Day, and beginner tips for an easy transition to vegan or plant-based diet with easy batch cooking and freezing. Have a lovely day, babes. See you next time.